Emakhosini Ganezethongo Emakhosini kini nina you loyal viewers of Kemi TV. Nyanamukela to another episode on our show. Nkosi yami bakwethu, I'm happy to the point of having tears. This channel started 2023, 0 subscribers, and within 2 years, close to 2 years, you guys have helped propel it over 4,000 subscribers. So nyanbonga bagwethu. Welcome to another episode of Kemi TV bagwethu. You should see on the left, on the right hand side, there's a tab, and this banner here has all the business information that you need to know. Those that want to do a deposit right here, you'll see the account number. You can see my contact number up there, 061 178 1304. And of course, you can see my social media channels. Look me up. Subscribe. Siyabonga bagwethu for your continued support of our beautiful channel. This topic might seem minor. We can cover it, but in retrospect, abantu abaningi that have healed and abantu abaningi engikhulume nabo that have awakenings, makhosi khehla, abantu abaningi that have awakenings go through this particular situation. As you can see on the thumbnail, it says they're waking up at 2 a.m. Are you possibly under spiritual attack? Yenzeka ngezinye izikhathi umuntu normal makalala uvuka ukuthi ayochama. Umuntu normal makalala uvuka maybe ngoba ugada umntwana, but generally adults sleep through the whole night. General working adult, during the day they're trying to get something done ebusuku. Uyakhathala alale. However, what causes it ukuthi mawulele ebusuku uvese uvuke? Awuphiswanga, ulambanga, kungalutho ekuvusile. Uvese wazivukela nje ngo-2 a.m. You just woke up because you felt something. You wake up at 2 a.m. Your heart is beating, you're in a cold sweat, and you feel like khona into beyilapha. Now it's getting a bit dark. You feel like khona into engale. Kunento engale. The house feels a bit eerie at that point, and you just experience it. You just either came out of experiencing sleep paralysis or uvuke with a lot of anxiety. So these are all symptoms of spiritual attacks. Spiritual attacks don't just come as how can I put it? They don't come just as a umuthi omnyama. They don't come just as ulalwa spiritual husbands. Ngadalwa izinto eziningi. The uncleanliness of a place, imimoya emibi engazange ikhishwe kuleyo ndawo leyo, idlozi elifuna ukungena. There could be various aspects, but let's take a look at this. Why spiritual attacks happen between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. I think sike sacacisa before on the channel ukuthi between 2 a.m. maqala zithi after 2, the veil starts becoming weak or it starts thinning. And uma isivuleka, eventually at 3 a.m. we have what is known worldwide as the witch's hour. It's because at that point the veil is so clean, the veil is so open, it's easy for spirits to go to and fro from the other sides, from other dimensions, which is ingening up to make contact with humans. That need invocation of spirits, and things around there will be done between 12 or 3. Either bazoqala ngo-12 or they'll start at 3 a.m. And so that's why the veil is very thin, and the spiritual world is very active at that time. It's very, very active. Midnight engineers are engineering people's life for destruction, engineering people's lives for blessing. And if you're spiritually gifted and you're under attack, ila ozobona khona. If throughout the day anything happened to khona la unyathele khona, khona into edlile, it's likelihood that time, especially for spiritually gifted kids, nina enbonayo, where you're gonna dream ukuthi khona into besejaridini, whether during the day uphuphe ukuthi bekujampa abantu during the day, kushuthi benithumela ngezizwe, nithumela ngamabutho ngoba bayangigadla nami bayangigadla, kunzima la ngaphandle. So you, because you're spiritually gifted, you'll see these things. And obviously negative entities, jealous entities, even unsettled ancestors may try to enter the energy field. That's the time they might try and enter Jaredin, because they are wandering spirits. So wandering spirits that died too early. Muntu had 70 years, but because of some reason he died too early. In spiritual law, you have to serve that residual period unless a ritual is done. So you might find yourself being attacked by these type of spirits. You might find yourself struggling with negative entities. Uhlala close to amathuna. Uhlala close to amathuna. Uhlala endaweni la ekadutshulwa kabulala abantu khona, azange igezwe wena wave sewathenga le ndlu. Entities that are drawn to a place due to a traumatic dark event that happened there. Uhlala endaweni enjalo. So negative entities of all kinds, not just abantu abashonile, kodwa entities that were never human. Lower astral realm entities will find their way to you, so you'll be under attack. Ungazi ukuthi ngitikoloshi inkosi yami nginesipoko or kunamathunzi la endlini. I just don't feel like I should be alone here. So Crusader, I do wake up at 2 a.m. but ngicela ukuthi ucacise ngokujula ukuthi what would be pointers ngempela, because sometimes I might have just woken up because I had a nap during the day, so I'm not that tired. Okay, so obviously there are common symptoms, izinto that you will experience that will point to ukuthi at that hour you were under a spiritual attack or there was a negative entity trying to make contact with you. If it's at that hour, ube ne jolt, ngesilungu bathi jolt. If it's at that hour, between that time period, ube ne jolt, ube suvuke nje and ungasakhona ukulala, uzizwe ngathi ukukhanywa, uzizwe ngathi khona into bekuvala umlomo. That would be symptom number 1. Because hayi ukuthi vele zikuvala umoya, but it is they attempting to contact you that is causing what is happening. That jolt, that feeling, that choke, abantu bakini bakuvikela. So abantu bakini bakuvusa ukuthi hey gada ndoda, naku sekungena isitha, or naku isitha sesingenile, siyakubonisa ukuthi kwenzakalani. You might have abanye benu niphupha nigijimiswa amasela, abantu abafuna ukunibamba inkunzi. Dreaming of yourself being chased, dreaming of yourself people stealing things from you, bathathela izinto zakho. Or ungazwa nje mawuvuka nawe nje without these other 2 symptoms, uzwe nje nawe mawuvuka ukuthi hayi inkosi yami akusekho yiwani la, ulisilo lerula ufikile. And so heavy presence in the room, dreams of insects, dreams of amanzi amnyama la uleli khona, tells you ukuthi the environment you're in is not clean. You might be woken up because of khona ukulala khona. This environment is making you dirty spiritually, kubangela isichitho because kunesichitho khona lapho. So that, and some of you experience this symptom, because it means ubulwa the whole night, and it's better if you're conscious. If you wake up feeling exhausted, if you wake up feeling exhausted, but we're ukuthi ulale ngo 9 p.m. bosembedeni wavuka ngo 8 a.m. ekuseni, lala amahora angeziwe amaningi, but you wake up and you're feeling exhausted, that could be a sign ukuthi ebusuku you are rumbling with the midnight engineers, making sure that you stay alive, you don't lose the game because they're out of pocket. These things happen. I must console those of you that have dealt with these situations. Spiritual attacks are actually much more common than people think. I can speak from being in this field. Over 100 readings. I've gone over 100 readings, reading different people. And ngakutshela eqinisweni ukuthi yebo, spiritual attacks happen, but it is for various reasons. These type of reasons that I'm counting. But now umuntu uzobuya athi ayi mkhulu, why me? Why njalo umuntu makacabanga umuntu omnyama, or I find myself in situations where there are always spiritual occurrences. Why me? I feel like I'm being targeted. Cha gogo, you're not being targeted. You carry a gift that you haven't activated. Unenkanyezi ngaphezu kwekhanda lakho. Unoqobo. Umkhetho. Due to that, nakanjani, if you are not aware of the gift or uyichelisele sayidini, those that know will want to use it. They will want to use le nkanyezi ngaphezu kwekhanda lakho, and that's why some of you get targeted, because there are midnight engineers. Bakhona abathakathi. Zikhona iy'mpande ezimnyama. That's something that cannot be debated. Yaziwa. As well, at times you might find ukuthi somebody is sending you imithi emnyama, ne? You could find ukuthi somebody is uyakushaya ugadlulele, so you'll have a sudden awakening at 2 a.m. to alert you ukuthi nasi isitha siyeza or nasi isitha sesicalile. So you'll also awaken because they're sending you negative energy. A better reason, which we can state, at least in this case, is some of you are just having a spiritual awakening. And abaningi engihlangane nabo have said it as well. Ukuthi yebo mkhulu ngo-3 ukuthi ngivuke. Ngivuka senginukelwa impepho. Ngisuke ngazi ukuthi bayangibiza emsamo. Ngisuke ngazi ukuthi I need to be awake at that particular hour. I need to be awake at that particular hour. I need to be awake at that particular hour. So it could be because of your spiritual awakening, or you've been involved, in some unresolved contract. Leyo angeke sijule kuyo kakhulu, mara abantu abazaziyo bayazazi. So we will leave that one there. What can you do if you are actually experiencing these spiritual attacks ebusuku? Now, you know, Crusader has to give you guys something. Simple. I'm keeping these rituals simple, guys, because I can no longer keep dishing out epic recipes. Ne? So please bear with this. It seems simple. These rituals I'm giving you seem simple, but the simplest rituals are what you can do at a very, very low cost to protect yourself. Spiritual hygiene is everything. Before ungene engubeni, ngenzele kanje mkhulu. Before ungene engubeni uzongilayitela ikhandlela elimhlophe noma ungishisele impepho, one of the two or both at the same time. You will light some pepper and uzongikhanyisela ikhandlela elimhlophe, and then uzogeza izandla ney'nyawo inside rough salt. So light ikhandlela noma ushunqise impepho or both. You'll get a bowl, you'll put rough salt, and then you wash your hands and you wash your feet, and then uzokhuleka. Ukhuleke ukuthi ingilosi esekukhanyeni zibe nawe zikuvikele. Zingavumi ukuthi kusondele ubumnyama kuwe, zikuvikele ngawo wonke amandla. Ubiza amadlozi akho emkhulekweni, egameni likamveli encane ngithi ababaduba abakasho, and so forth and so on. Uzokhuleka ubacele ukuthi bakuvikele. Uzothatha lamanzi lawa uwafake ngaphansi kombhede. You'll take that bowl of water, no matter how small it is, and then put it under the bed. Lokhu kuzokuvikela. Lokhu kuzodonsa imkhokha and anything aimed at you into that water. If you've heard some of my previous videos, I've spoken about the memory qualities of water, which water can capture energy and vibration. That whole ritual is based around that, just to give you a bit of science so that it doesn't seem like into. So ukhumbuleni bafethu ukuthi dreams are not just messages. Dreams are not just messages, but they are messages with images. So mkhulusader usho ukuthini? Because uma ulele ebusuku ukhumbule ukuthi in order to dream, it's not happening in your head. I need to now teach people something abangakaze batshelwa yona. Ukuthi when you dream, you are outside of your body. You are unconsciously astral projecting. Usuke ungene emhlabeni, which in esotericism we call it Yasod, from Kabbalah. You've entered into the dream state of the world where all possibilities are. So at times, you might go into the Akashic record and see the future, see the past, and see possibilities in the present. You are outside of your body when you are experiencing that. So dreams during spiritual attacks, often they'll reveal to you who or what is behind it, because uyibona ngamehlo womoya, hayi ukuthi you imagining it. No, you are in your spiritual body and uyibona ngamehlo womoya. You just need to pay attention to the symbols, pay attention to the faces and the emotions you feel intuitively. Start journaling your dreams. Your dreams will draw out a map of your whole life psychologically, emotionally, and spiritually. You just have to piece the puzzle together. Start journaling your dreams. Check to see if there's anything that correlates. Uzokhona ukubona ukuthi icon uma mncane yangibahaza ngimithe ebusuku. Yingakho nje ngiye ngathi ngiya kuleya interview, that guy didn't just tell me to get out. Wangibonda ngenqindi makaqeda. It's because bakufaka isichitho, and now you can identify idlozi lakho likuvuse ngobani ngo 2 a.m. when the veil is thinning. Emakhosini. Guys, if you've ever experienced any strange dreams, if you've had sleep paralysis, go into the comment section. Usitshele ukuthi hey, ngabhekana nosizi, ngizwe ngathi ngicindezela, ngihlelwe imbuzi esifubeni. Go into the comment section and tell us, look, we won't ridicule you. You are having a spiritual awakening, and that is why you are seeing these things that you are seeing. You are awakening. Bagwethu, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I thank you guys for tuning into another episode of Kemi TV. Ngiyaziyehlisa ngithi umprofeti uShamulo. Ngiziyehlisa phambi kwethonga elikhulu namathonga namahlosini emakhosini.